Boys, welcome back to the video, guys. It's Optimization Monday, the definitely weekly series that I have not at all missed. Haven't missed a single week yet. Definitely. Do not look last video was not 2 weeks ago. I swear. This is an ongoing weekly series that is consistent. This one is going to be a whole lot more interesting than me just optimizing the editing process, though. I think you guys might have noticed where the daily uploads go. Randy, do you upload it daily? What the f*** is going on, man? You're a liar and a cheat and a fraud. I'm unsubscribing. Well, I've basically just been having a few days off. I just actually live right now. Boop. I recorded an update video, basically going over my current situation. Go watch that if you haven't already. It'll be up here. Link up here. Yeah, and that basically just goes over everything. Hang on. Yo, pizza time. Hey, we eating good, boys. Fuck. No, we lost my pizza. That would have been catastrophic. There's not enough space. I have too many fucking keyboards. Who the fuck ate all my pizza? Huh? It was my past self. These are leftovers. I'm just eating pizza at 7:30 a.m. in the morning. Anyway, before I gouge myself on pizza, where have I been? What have I been doing? The reason I haven't been doing daily stuff. Yesterday, I took the day off to do my tax return. That was suddenly interesting. Almost got it done. I preemptively got a next year's tax return done. That's what I did yesterday. I set up a really nice automated workflow for my entire books because it's really tricky with PayPal and Stripe with all you guys on the fund. So there's basically however many of you there is, probably about 500, providing me with raw money, right? Each of those are transactions that I have to record into my QuickBooks and process. I ain't doing that shit by hand. So I've set up a, daddy's like right on the money here. I basically set up a way of committing tax fraud. That's a joke, by the way. Tax compliant. I would never commit tax fraud. I basically just set up an automation process yesterday, which I kind of got around to, but I'm still yet to do last year's tax return because it's a lot of effort. Edited Randy clips. Now there's an idea. Not just stream clips, but actual good clips. Shorts. Boys, Randy's Shorts. Brand new channel. I'm looking for an editor. Google form, down in description, fill it out. If you like editing nice funny memes, 10, 30 seconds long, we'll get something going, baby. You and me, alright? You'll be paid for your time, of course. Oh shit, Shortception. This is the first Randy Shorts. What up? Welcome to Randy Shorts. Yo! That's the first Randy Shorts clip. Sometimes my genius astounds me. Incredibly sorry for that pizza eating interruption. We now return to the regular scheduling of today's video. Welcome back to Optimization Mondays, the ongoing, definitely weekly series where we attempt to optimize the living shit out of every single process in my life. What we're going to be working on, couple things. The first thing that I wanted to get up and running is a little something known as power toys. What this is basically you hit Alt space and it comes up with a search bar and you can do anything from that. Absolutely anything. So the goal is to get this set up nicely. So then whenever I need to do anything, all I do is just hit Alt space bar. I can search my entire computer. I can search Google. I can search anything. It's just another way of input. That doesn't mean I have to do this. Ready? Let me go to Chrome. Let me add a new tab. Now let me search. Instead of that, it's just Alt tab search done. Or whatever the fuck it is. So I've got Coily to thank for that. Really appreciate that, homie. I've been looking for this for ages. I need to figure out how to get this going. I think you actually have to compile it yourself. I'm not too sure. I've never compiled anything myself in my life, except for Arcana. I wish I could look at chat, but I don't want to have you guys up on the side. It might ruin the video. Yeah, fuck the video. You guys are just gonna have to deal with chat being up on this side. You'll get used to it. I'm scared to do this because it's gonna increase CPU consumption. All right, let's hope the stream doesn't shit the bed. How we doing? How we doing CPU wise? We're chilling? Yeah, that we are. Unit converter 10 foot. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. 5 centimeters in meters. Oh, 5 foot in meters. Oh, that's so good. All right, cool. What else we got? Oh god, I'm just peace out real quick. All right, so it's not looking like they have an inbuilt one for searching Chrome, which is a little bit annoying because I'd like to Google search from it. Google search from power tools. Oh yeah, it is power toys. Power tools. Power toys. All right, another tool to the list, boys. Auto hotkey. Auto hotkey is gonna be the way to go. There's this issue at the moment, which is basically proposing this. So you just type in like G space, whatever your query is, for like searching Google, YouTube space, whatever your query is, YouTube. That'd be great, but it's been an issue since May 20th, 2020, and is still active to this day. Someone commented 3 days ago. We're gonna have to find a workaround, and that workaround for the time being is looking like it'll be auto hotkey, and just writing up a script for that to get this sorted. So let's get cracking and let's write up a tiny little bit of a script. I'd like to give a massive shout out to my editor homies. Go chuck old mate Watch a follow on Twitch. Check out his stream, alright? Average as well on Twitter. Go chuck him a follow. I honestly could not be doing this daily stuff without the help of my editors. It's really great that I can kind of just rock up, do a stream like this, and not have to edit everything. It just goes up and it's a video, and it's great. Alright, how do you run the script? Double click the file icon, desktop, run it, open Notepad or anything you can type in, and press Control and J. Click Q twice, not working. That's good that it runs in the background though. Ah, yeah, there we go. I just had to double click it. That is nice. That is real nice. Teamwork makes the dream work, baby. And by teamwork, I mean copy and pasting Clover's script into this. We're doing a merge request live. We're merging. This is just duplicate code. Could we not technically just get rid of this entire if statement and just go if greater than or equal to %i? Am I correct in assuming that? I'm just gonna merge it. This is likely to get completely overhauled at some point in the future anyway, so. Lovely. The very first merge request of Arcana. 10 signs your heart is ... before being struck by a heart attack. Your body starts to show ... Ah. You know what I just realized? Payspin. I don't know if they've done it on purpose or by accident, but it would be genius if they did it by purpose. They purposefully wrap their text code in whatever ad blocker blocks it, right? So that you can't see it. So then you're like, oh, to see the code, I'm gonna have to disable my ad blocker. But then it rams fucking 17 ads in your face as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different ads. 6 different ads. I don't know whether to be like, I don't know whether to be astounded by their genius or disgusted. Damn. Who's that handsome devil? Ain't no better streamline the monthly editing but not having to do with it. Whoop. Script for Google and YT searching in Power Toys. All right, sweet. I'm gonna push that up real quick to Rando's Digital Garden repository. If you would like to get access to Rando's Digital Garden, then you can go ahead and head on over to twitch.tv/Randy and drop a Prime Gaming subscription if you have an Amazon Prime account. Then head on over to rennie.gg/Prime to link your account and get access to this repository, all my code, and a bunch of cool other stuff. For those of you who don't know what the Sigma Energy Manifestation Environment Notepad is, it's a 4-coder custom layer that is literally just a 1-to-1 replication at the moment of Ryan Fleury's custom layer. But the goal for this entire project is really quite simple: to understand how Ryan has written his custom layer and figure out how to extend it myself and strip away all the things that I don't need and write the things that I do need. So right now I have a to-do right here, which has a bunch of high priority stuff in it at the moment. So we can work our way through this and essentially just try and optimize the code editing process to kind of make programming as fast as possible, basically. Can we create our own cheat sheet? The other day when I created this C thing and I was like, yo, string operations, you know, just when, string copy, string compare, just like all this kind of stuff. This is kind of void now because I can just do this, kind of. Like, that's kind of fast now, which is good. But at the same time, can we get this kind of data into the editor? That's what I want to figure out. Is there some kind of C documentation, big repository of knowledge that we can download locally, store offline, and then access via some kind of command? That would be goddamn sick. Fill everything on cheat sheet into a folder programmatically. Is this actually just a thing? Cheat sheet is actually a thing. The only cheat sheet you need unified access to the best community-driven documentation repositories of the world. Yes, cheat sheet. All right. Awesome. Having a bunch of people as editors, right? It's just so cool, especially because we've got like a whole folder here, right? It's called the editing zone and we'll have access to it. And then we've just got like all these assets, right? And then in the B-roll, this is kind of what we started creating last optimization Monday. Just have a bunch of goddamn clips we can just pull from. So everyone's on the same page. And then I reckon with the clips channel, this is just gonna make it so much goddamn better. Like Randy Shorts, I've really wanted to get into TikTok for a while now, right? Every time I install the app, I just get addicted to it. I'm like, I can't be on this. I can't have this on my phone. phone. So then I just never do TikTok and I never even start doing shorts. But like now YouTube has shorts. YouTube shorts. YouTube shorts. Pog. I love how I say it's time to stop procrastinating and actually get some work done, but now I'm just going on another little bit of a tangent. I apologize. We will eventually get this train back on track, all right? This is kind of the downside to just having chat just like all up here, is because it's just constant connections being made in my brain. Yeah, so I think I was beginning to do an explanation about 4coder, about the semen layer. I just can't say that with a straight face, dude. I'm pretty sure 4coder has inbuilt Vim stuff, right? But I'm just more considering more things beyond that. I just want to get a general idea of why people like Vim so much, basically. We should get a Randy GG theme going. Something that like replicates the website blog exactly. That would be sick. Yeah, so it's readable at the moment. It's definitely doable, but I need to do like a big design pass on this and on 4coder in general. We're going to put cheat sheet on the back burner for now and actually just finish the color scheme because I've been putting this off for so long and I really need to finish it because for those of you who don't know, right? Just between you and me, right? We have got merch coming. I'm not gonna get into too much details. Spoil the surprise. If you know, you know. I'm not gonna spoil the surprise for you YouTube froggies out there. It basically involves me needing to figure out what the theme is for my code editor and how code looks. So that's what we're gonna do for the rest of today is actually just nail that down pat, right? Let's get going. Man, I have so much fucking energy today. My God, dude. I'm actually just flying. No caffeine, nothing. My current schedule is I stream and do daily videos, basically Monday through to Friday. Saturday, I take the day off to do a bunch of admin work, whatever needs to get done, right? And then Sunday is my full day off and I just go hang out with the boys. Basically daily uploads on the weekdays, and then weekends off. So I think that is gonna be a pretty sustainable schedule. It's kind of ironic considering I just said that I'm gonna be able to just constantly keep doing game dev and not have to go on a break. But in 4 days time, I'm going on a 2-week long holiday to road trip across the Simpson Desert with my father. I am going to be gone. So I don't think there's really much value in getting back into Arcana development now because I'm just going to build up momentum and then just get cut off. I could do it. I think it'd probably be better for me to build up momentum in 4coder and Seaman. Do that because then when I get back, I'll have a really good development environment. Maybe we do optimization for the next like 4 days flat. That could be fun. Let's do that. It's optimization every day, baby. Welcome back to another session, boys. Let's get some color stuff going, eh? So this right here, I changed this to just white and it looks a whole lot better right out of the bat. I'm honestly thinking that we can just ship it like that. Like this theme looks good, you know? It's looking kinda. So I don't know. I want to use somebody else's theme, right? And then go off of that because they've made a bunch of changes. Can I just use the default Obsidian theme and then go from there? That'd be kind of McPog if I could. Obsidian MD theme.
Okay, let's pick up from where we left off.
Mom, can we get a second brain? No, honey, we have a second brain at home.
So this is just one way to personalize your knowledge graph to make it just for you. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
If you think you can graduate from this school without kissing my cock, you are dead wrong.
I don't know why that connection was just made, but it was, and I'm glad it happened. All right, well, let's just change it to Randy GG, which is cool. That's exactly what I want. Awesome. Step 1 accomplished. Hell yeah. All right, the font is in, boys. Excellent. I wonder if you can open up the dev console in Discord like that. Ah! It's everywhere. Everywhere I look. Oh, that's terrifying. How have I never known that? All right, text accent. Oh, we know what color that's gonna be, baby. All right, done. Ladies and gents, Obsidian theme is done. It's very simple. Exact same as normal Obsidian, but I've just changed this color and I've made the background exactly like I have in 4coder, which is cool. But we could change the text color actually. Yeah, let's change the text color. One more thing. All right, that's the entire theme done, I think. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I think that's looking pretty good. You know, it's subtle. We've got the nice Randy.gg blue in here as the accent. And then everything else, a little bit muted, but it pairs nicely together, I feel. All right, there's the 4coder theme up for you guys. And I'm gonna put the Digital Garden one up as well, but it's got a good ignore on it at the moment for all Obsidian stuff. So let me just fix that. All right, that's up in the Digital Garden as well. Thanks for tuning into this session. I think for the next few days, before I go across the Simpson Desert for like 2 weeks and go completely off the grid, I think we're just gonna be working on the 4coder custom layer. So look forward to that optimization week, babe. We're gonna get it going. I'll see you tomorrow, I guess. That's all I gotta say. Peace.